What's up, guys? This is Trillionaire. Just hanging out with my friendly seagull over here, having a little bit of lunch. You guys are probably wondering, why the hell hasn't this guy been making videos? Markets have been going nuts. Believe me, I've made 2 of them, and my computer's rendering capabilities have been rendered useless. So I'm unable to upload the videos. I have given away the $10 in Bitcoin. In a future video, I'd love to update you guys on that, but apparently I won't be able to upload the video. So in my next video, I'll post a winner. So today we've got a little bit of a rebound in the market after yesterday's major decline of about 25% for some cryptocurrencies. Pretty nuts, absolutely nuts, but there's more to come, and who's to say whether it'll go up or down? In the long term, Bitcoin's going up, and when I talk about long term, I mean, 3 to 6 months, a year, Bitcoin will be higher than it is now, in my ever so humble opinion. Now, if you're wondering if this is the right time to get into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, if the question is for the long-term hold, the answer is absolutely yes. For the short term, we've still increased quite a bit, so it would not surprise me if the market continued down later on today or tomorrow. This is not to say that you should wait to get in if you haven't gotten in, because my opinion is, because nobody knows what the market will do today, tomorrow, the next day, or for that matter in the next 6 hours, it's a good idea, and that is barring any major rumors that come out, or actually major news that comes out. Usually the rumor doesn't drive the price up too much. It'll drive it up a little bit, and then it'll run up as more people find out about the rumor, and then the news you'll see a sell-off prior to the actual news event. That seems like a cycle that repeats itself end over end over end, more times, way more times often than it doesn't. It'd be interesting to backtest that theory, but it seems to be of a consensus. Most people believe. That doesn't always make it true, but in my experience, that is what I have noticed myself. For the short term, for the long-term holder, dollar cost averaging is the way to go. Buying today, buying some next week, buying some the week after that. If you can do it every day, spread your buyouts over every day, you're going to be winning more than the person who just does a massive lump sum on this day and trying to time it, and then a massive lump sum on this day, and then they're all in, and then 2 weeks later the market tanks. If you're buying every day, let's say if you have $1,000 and you're buying once a day for the next 90 days, it would be not a bad idea to go and put $10 in per day. Or, if you have a massive lump sum, you go ahead and you get mass in on 1 week, and you do it every Monday at 12 p.m. You just do it for 4 weeks in a row. Break it up into four lump sums, and then as you're earning more money, you'll then just allocate a portion of your checks towards cryptocurrency. Now, as for a matter of what you would hold, that's all what you're comfortable with. The amount that you want to put in, that's all what you're comfortable with. I've made videos related to this in the past. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. But yeah, I think that's it. We're going to keep this video short and sweet today. Just a little bit of my thoughts on the market, and if you're looking to get into the market, and I've given you my opinion on whether or not this is a good time for long-term buy-in or the short-term buyer. Short-term buyer, yeah, the short-term buyer, swing trading is tough, and we're still pretty high. This is a pretty uncertain time. I don't know that I would be buying into Bitcoin specifically at this time. Ethereum, buying into it to gain versus the Bitcoin trading ratio Would that be better than sitting out in fiat, if that's what you have? I think this is pretty high time for the cryptocurrency market in general. We were $100 billion. We've increased about 300% in a very short span of time. That being, I think we've increased 300%. The entire market cap has done 300% in the last 3 months or less. Pretty sure. If not, it's like 4 or 5. It's not that long ago. It's less than half a year ago. So we're due a significant pullback, but at the same time, we're getting more eyes on Bitcoin now than ever, and that is a good reason for the market to keep going up, this FOMO. But there has to be a correction at some point, and the more we get this massive pump, there will be a massive decline in value. Would I short Bitcoin? I think it's absolutely insane to ever short something that goes up on average 1% a day. But perhaps I'm just not seeing the appropriate angle for that event. So again, we're going to go ahead and cut this video short. Thank you very much to those who have liked and subscribed to me. We've recently crossed over, I believe, 920 subscribers. We're trying to get that to 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours. So guess what, folks? We're going to continue giving away Bitcoin, and I'm going to get my computer situation settled. I think we're going to do a little upgrade here because we can afford it. Cryptocurrency's been good to us. We're going to do a little upgrade and get some better things here to make this channel grow and be a much more interesting, more progressive and knowledgeable and fun to watch channel. Thank you very much, folks. $10 Bitcoin is going to be given away to one of the people who are commenting on the question of the day, which is coming in just a second, liking the video, subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. For those of you subscribed, again, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm going to continue to do my best to bring you guys relevant and up-to-date information, but even better than just the news of the day like many YouTubers will bring you. My focus is more on bringing you opportunities that you can profit from. So not only can you win cryptocurrency from me, but you can also earn off of things that I may be able to bring to your attention. Not saying everything I bring to your attention is something you should invest in, because each individual investor needs to make their own assessments for whether or not a particular investment vehicle is right for them. Thanks very much, folks. This has been Trillionaire. Peace.